Hello everyone, I am Maxy. Today we're gonna learn some interesting and fun facts about swamp animals. That's it, animals that live in a swamp, like this beautiful one behind me. Egrets. They are beautiful white birds. They always build their nests in colonies close to the water. Frogs. They are so cute. I love frogs. They absorb water through their skin so they don't need to drink. That's super interesting. Their eyes and nose are on the top of their head so that they can breathe and look around while their body is under the water. Alligators. They are very territorial. They don't like other animals coming near their area. Alligators don't chew their food. They break it with their powerful jaws and then swallow it. They sleep during the day and love the sun. Tadpoles. They're baby frogs, you know, but they are born with gills so they can breathe under the water. They have some jelly around them and it has an awful taste to protect them from predators. They have a big head and a long tail. Raccoons. They are nocturnal animals, so they come out at night. They eat almost anything: frogs, fish, snails, nuts, seeds, fruits, anything they can find. They are so cute. And now I have a surprise for you. I saw this alligator, so I thought I would show you. Check him out, super scary. Do you know any other interesting facts about swamp animals? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video, guys. See you soon.
You have been learning with Maxy. Remember to subscribe and give us a like.